we are going to be entering our Lucca floor plan, our 1 bedroom. You walk right into your kitchen area, and they have that hot commodity island. That just gives just gives it a little spice to the apartment. Again, we have stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, our living room area that leads into the balcony area. We're gonna enter the bedroom wing here. All the bathrooms on the property are very spacious, so. And our washer and dryer, laundry facility, full-size washer and dryers in all of our apartments. Oh, there goes Kirsten again, our great leasing professional. Bedroom area, and it's a nice size too. Nice view of the property, and a large walk-in closet. We are running low on these layouts. So go to the website or select the link in your mailbox and get to signing the application.